I'll share 2 unsaturated business ideas that you can start today with the help of AI. Each one is unique and doesn't require any special knowledge or skill to get started and earn passive income. I will fully explain how they're done step by step from start to finish. Additionally, we are giving away $100 in this video. Here's how you can win. Subscribe to our channel and leave a comment about which of these 2 ideas you want to try. After that, we'll use a random comment picker to find a winner, which we'll show in our next video. So don't miss this opportunity and subscribe to our channel. This is AI Wizard, and today we will be one step ahead in this AI revolution. Now, let's start with the first side hustle, which is AI-generated art that we will sell on Adobe stock. Keep in mind that this hustle can generate more than $10,000 per month from just selling art to publishers. The best part is you won't even have to do anything special since we will use AI to generate art for us. It's really simple and requires only 1 minute to generate one art. Adobe Stock has announced that they accept AI-generated images, so you're 100% safe doing this. The way it works is that some people need pictures for their blogs or videos, and since using someone's picture is prohibited, they should buy rights. And that's exactly how and why people buy our images. And if someone thinks that this method is saturated, let me tell you that around 30 million people visit Adobe Stock per month, and each of them is interested in buying at least one picture. No matter how many people start doing this method, if you manage to find a niche that isn't saturated, you'll make a lot of money. Yes, we'll help you find such niches. For example, the best-selling niche a few days ago was Easter pictures, and many people made thousands of dollars from just creating AI art and uploading it to Adobe Stock. But we want a niche that sells always and not just at specific times, and such a niche is finance. Let me show you what kind of pictures sell in finance. For example, pictures with digital screens on them sell the most. And I know a guy who sold around 250,000 pieces of such pictures, which is around $140,000 in profit. You can do more research to find better niches, but this one is best to start with. Creating a seller account on Adobe Stock doesn't require any special documents, and it takes around 5 minutes to get full access and start selling. Now, let's open a midjourney AI bot and create business niche art with this prompt. You can use many different prompts and test them out to get better results. Also, you can use many different dimensions, but in this case, we will use the most common, which is 3x2. Keep in mind that many people create 3x2 images, and other dimensions, such as 6x2, are not saturated at all, and you can try creating art with those dimensions. Many blogs or news websites use wider pictures, so you can fight in that niche. After our image is generated, we'll use a free website to upscale it to get more quality. And then we'll upload it to Adobe Stock. Follow these steps that I'm doing right now. For the title and tags, I will use ChatGPT because, from our experience, pictures with chat-generated tags sell the most. Click Upload, and you're done. You will wait around 1 to 2 days, and after it gets verified, you'll slowly start to make sales. Keep in mind that you should have many pictures to compete with others, but the good part is that it's really easy. If you'll make 50 arts per day, which takes maximum 2 hours, you can compete with bestsellers in 2 to 3 months and generate more than $2,000 or $3,000. If you have more questions about this, please write down in the comments section and we will answer them. We also created a more detailed video about this business idea, which you can watch. Now, it's time to talk about our second side hustle, which involves selling AI-generated books on Amazon KDP. In our previous video, we showed you that some KDP businesses were selling for almost $2 million. This is because selling paperback books through Amazon can generate substantial amounts of money. Before we dive into the details, let me explain how this business can be automated and why it's effortless to own. Nearly 70% of the job, which involves printing and shipping books, is done by Amazon. That's right, they do everything, and all you need to do is create the book and cover. In one of our videos, we fully explained how to create and upload a book to Amazon. We advise you to watch that video after this one to get more information about this business. In short, this is how it works. We'll use chatgpt to generate short stories for us in the kids' niche, and we will create at least 5 or 10 stories. Then we'll use Canva to create the book and cover. After that, we'll go to Amazon KDP website and upload the book and wait for 2 or 3 days before it gets verified. We can then either ask our relatives or friends to buy our book and leave positive feedback, or wait for some time to get organic sales. We also have Amazon Ads, which will help us make sales, but it requires specific methods to advertise. If you are interested in Amazon Ads, write it down in the comments section and we'll create a full tutorial video about it. This business can be scaled to 5 or 6 figures per month income, and all it requires from you is to create new books at least twice a week. But from the tutorial which you can watch, you will see that you can even make 2 or 3 books per day easily, because it doesn't require much work. If you create many books in different niches, trust me, success will come fast. The more you upload, the faster you will see results. Many people think that since a lot of people are doing the same business, it's saturated, and they will always find reasons to be lazy. Trust me, many people start but eventually give up. Just give it a try, and if it doesn't work out, contact us and we'll try to find the reason why it failed. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more detailed tutorials for each step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.